Hi guys, welcome back to Spotaria channel. In this video, I'll show you how to download Snapchat on iPhone. But before you continue this video, I hope you like, comment, and subscribe to support the channel, and don't forget to hit the notifications bell. So, without any further ado, let's get started. First thing first, you have to open your iPhone's App Store. And then tap search is the magnifying glass icon on the bottom of your screen. I'm gonna click right now and tap the search bar at the top of the screen. Then you have to type Snapchat into the bar. Snapchat. Tap search is the blue button on your iPhone's keyboard. After that, tap Get to the ring of Snapchat. The Snapchat app icon resembles a white ghost outlined on a yellow background. And if you have downloaded before, the Get button will be replaced by a cloud icon with a downward facing arrow. Tap Install. This button will appear immediately after tapping Get. And then wait a minute. Snapchat will begin downloading to your phone immediately. It's done. After the download completes, you'll be able to find Snapchat on one of your iPhone's home screen. So guys, it's a simple tutorial from me. I hope you enjoy it and good luck. See you in the next video.